to the channel, Merry Vlogmas. I really hope you're enjoying our vlogs. Again, it's me, Trevor's at work. So you've got me today and you've got my sister again, who is the arty crafty one. And we're going to show you how to make some 3D Christmas trees. These look amazing. I can't do it because I can't hold the scissors, but my sister can. So stay tuned with us as we show you how to make some 3D Christmas trees to add a little creativity to your Christmas decorations this year. You need to start with a square first. If you have an A4 piece of paper, the easiest way to make a square is to fold it from one corner down, and then you'll have the bottom lap, and you're going to just get rid of the rectangle part on the bottom. You can see we folded it in half, and we're going to cut the straight part Okay, so you don't need that bit, you're going to discard that bit first. So you're left with your square. You can see where we folded it to start with. We're then going to fold it again to make quarters. So you should have now 4 fold lines, quarters. Fold it again. And the folding is quite important. So there you got your quarters, look. You now need to turn it over and you're going to fold it in half, and again with the opposite side, so you'll have 8s in the end. There we go, look, you can see that folded into clear 8s. You then need to get opposite corners and you're going to fold it down on each other. Again. So there's your piece of paper, and you sort of fold it down onto each other. Just take your time doing this, and then you're going to fold from one corner to the centre line, one corner to the centre line, turn it over, one corner to the centre line, one corner to the centre line, and then with the bottom bit you're going to cut this off. You don't need that, you're going to discard that. So cut straight across, and then open up each quarter. Can you see what we're doing? It's making it stand up. We can open it up, look, can you see? And there we have, look, we have a standing tree. You're then going to use your scissors to snip straight across. You can do as many snips as you want. You can place them where you want. It doesn't have to all be all uniform. It can be wherever you would like. And then you're going to fold where you cut along, look. Fold them over just a little bit. You can fold them over quite a lot if you wanted to. It's entirely your interpretation, it's your tree. So keep on doing for all the sides. You don't have to do all of them, it's up to you wherever you cut them. and then stand it up. And there you have one Christmas tree. It's amazing. And you can do all different types of colours. You can do all different types of paper, card, gift wrap. You could do anything you want. And I would have different sizes as well, different size paper. Incredible. I think it's amazing. I really hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'm going to leave my sister's Instagram name down the bottom for you so you can go and check out her page. She does lots and lots of creative things, much more creative than myself. I would suggest you can hang them. They look amazing along a mantelpiece. You could even make them into a garland. You can actually put some thread through the tops of them and hang them. I think they're amazing. I hope you really enjoyed watching our 3D Christmas trees. Please follow us on social, guys. We are on Facebook and Instagram, and they're normally up to date with what we're doing. Please consider giving us a subscribe and a thumbs up, or even a hype. So I'm going to start singing that. I don't know. But please consider a thumbs up because it does help more people see our channel, and it's free to subscribe. We have lots more interesting things to show you. Bye guys, Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.